This is KTN News Desk and I am Akisa Ondera. Thank you very much for staying with us. Vihiga County government employed 7 underage people as workers between 2013 and 2017. A staff audit released Wednesday night has revealed. The report recommends recovery of salaries paid to the minors and that senior officials involved in the scam to be reprimanded. An audit was conducted by the Directorate of Personnel Management in the Office of the President. Says the minors were receiving salaries of over 25,000 shillings without identification cards.
Your Excellency, gaona kama bado umesimama, tupate maombi mafupi kutoka Bwana Umbeva.
Asante sana Mwenyezi Mungu Baba, tunakushukuru.
The wrongly placed people are quite a number, and they are indicated in the report also with the names of some people who are moved from departments and taken to technical departments, given quite high job groups, and where they were taken were not departments where ideally they should belong. But the names are in this report, which you could access immediately after this or on request.
That information will help us do what we call a staff rationalization. When we verify your certificates and we match them with the skills that you have, we will move to place staff where they ought to be.
Employment of over 100 staff aged above 45 on permanent and pensionable terms, contrary to the Pension Act. Recommendation: the county government to apply contract terms to such employees, and that we shall do. 2, employment of minors. Those are people under 18 years old. There are a lot of minors who are employed who are under 18 years. And therefore, the recommendation is that any person employed while below 18 years will immediately be removed from the payroll and disciplinary action taken against the officers who signed their letters and put them on pay. Fundamental changes in records. A, we have extraordinary changes in job groups and an acceptable jump in job groups. What this means is that we have people who came who are employed on job groups higher than they were expected. There were also people who are employed on the right job group, but within a short time, they jumped so many job groups and are among the highest paid. We have people, for example, who are employed on job group G, but within less than 2 years, they had jumped to R. R is one of the highest job groups in the government system.
Residents of Gyoto